You think you know how to pack, and then you go on a trip and realize that your bags are just so heavy. I'm gonna show you what is in my travel bag. I recently did a video of what's in my suitcase for our Galapagos trip. That has gone and passed, and we just got back to Quito, Ecuador from Denver, Colorado. A whirlwind trip. It was very long. It was very good, but y'all, my bag is very heavy. I already did an unboxing of this bag. It is fairly new, and if you want to check that video out, I'll link it down below. But it's heavy, y'all. It is heavy. And we just arrived back yesterday morning, and I kept everything in here, so it is fresh. The only thing that's not in there is actually this gigantic DSLR camera, y'all. This thing is massive. Imagine being a mom, so packing for your child, yourself, all the things you need for yourself, and then being a content creator and having to pack the camera, the tripods, the batteries, and all the things. That is why my bag is so heavy. That is why my bags are always heavy, and I need to figure out a better solution. So if you can help me ruminate on how to make this less heavy, definitely let me know. But anyways, let's get into the bag. I'm just gonna pull things out one at a time. Let me scoot back so you all can see this bag and all the things in their glory, and let's go with this front pocket. I love this bag, y'all. I am obsessed. This is real and raw, transparent, everything. These are my keys to get into my home, y'all, and they're in a bag because we use like cards and things to get into everywhere here in my neighborhood, and the card little holder snapped off, broke. The keys, I mean, it's all just raggedy. So it's actually double bagged because I keep poking holes in the first bag, and then anyways, this is it. This is how I get into my home. Really trifling, I know. This was also the pocket that I kept the rental car key in. Obviously we're not in the States, we don't have a rental car anymore, so yeah. I've got, this is random, I don't even know half the stuff that's in here. My mom's business cards, she actually gave these to me before we left, which is great. Tracy Young, the Parent, so check her out at the Parent on all social platforms. So we've got business cards for my mom, hoop earrings. Your girl was in her hoop era because my baby finally is allowing me to be cute again, and he was not pulling out my earrings. I was like, you know, this is working. I also have this track that was given to me. It says, you have a date. I have not gone through this yet. I don't know if you are out there and remember tracks from back in the day, or even currently now. I guess we're still doing tracks. But yeah, I will have to take a look at that. And I think that's it for that front pocket. Baby stuff on top. What blanket? This is our favorite blanket for our little one. We take this everywhere with us. This is given to me by my brother and sister-in-law and their family for a baby shower, and I use it all the time. This is my toddler's little stuffy, his favorite little sleep aid. And I love that he doesn't need a sleep aid. He just enjoys his stuffy. And so I need to wash this and this blanket. I like that I can throw both in the wash because they have both been on the airplane floor, and yeah, everything needs to be washed. We also have this busy board, which is amazing. This has seen better days, but it's amazing. It looks like this, and he loves it. This is probably his favorite thing, but he's a little bit advanced for this now, which is really great. He can do all the things. In my Baze bag, I also have a Baze bag, which is my toddler's little fanny pack, and I'll show you what's in his fanny pack. I love this, especially for the color. I can track where he is when he has it on him, and he doesn't get lost as easily. Got this, like, I feel like it is a stress reliever ball type of thing, but it's actually a hot and cold pack. And we got this at the MS Walk, which we recently participated in with my family and a car. Mom, Nana, I'm so sorry. I keep transporting toys from my mom's house to my house here in Ecuador, and then back and forth. We have all been under the weather. We're all slightly still under the weather, so his fanny pack has tons of tissue in it, which is great because he can take care of himself sometimes. I also have his water bottle. This was a nightmare on the plane. I love these water bottles, but I think that this one has seen better days. It was leaking, and I've got electronics in here. I'm surprised the camera is working. Thank the Lord Jesus, y'all. This thing was wet, and so was my computer and my headphones and all the stuff because this leaked. So luckily we have another one. I think I'm just gonna toss this. And if you have any toddler water bottle recommendations, please let me know. This one is a straw cup, so he never entered the sippy cup world. We just went straight for the cups with straws, which I highly recommend. It's great for oral motor development and all that stuff. And with it being soft and stuff, works perfectly. But I feel like maybe in a couple of months when he is 2, we can graduate from this one. Oh, I'm not ready to give it up yet. This one, yes, trash, but his other one, keep. And then maybe we can get him something bigger and more substantial for a big boy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Next on my list is my Ziploc bag with his diapers and a change of clothes, his wipes, some extra socks, all the extra things, because if I just threw the things in here as a diaper bag, like you do with a regular diaper bag, they would all also be wet. And I also feel like this is easier to take out, especially if your bag is heavy, because yeah, you don't need to bring the whole entire bag with you to the bathroom, especially if you're on the airplane or if you're traveling by yourself, or even if you are like in the airport and just need to take this out. Super easy, very compact, easy also for if you need to put your dirty diapers in here or put like extra little bags in here for dirty diapers. I just find that this is handier than just shoving everything in this bag. It also keeps things very organized. So this is a bigger version of what I usually stash, because when we're traveling and things like that, I recommend that you have an extra change of clothes. I've got like 3 diapers left, but I used about 3 or 4 diapers on this long trip, so it's got a lot of good stuff in there. Next, we have a book. He doesn't have a tablet yet. I don't know if that I want to give him a tablet, but books are key. This one is Where Do Diggers Sleep at Night? I love this one. And we also have a pair of socks for mama. These are my socks. I definitely was shoeless on the plane. I do not recommend that you're barefoot. That's gross. But shoeless with socks, clean socks, highly recommend, very comfortable. I have this bag, which I think is so cute. The theme that you'll notice is bags within bags within bags to keep everything organized and compact, because sometimes I just need to grab without looking and it helps. In this bag, I have our passports. So we've got passports here, and I actually need to put, going into another section of my bags, our other passports in here too. 4 passports with the life that we lead. It's 2 for each of us. My husband has his own passports in his own bags, but one is a tourist passport and then one is a diplomatic passport, because we are with the diplomatic service. And within this bag, I also have some Dramamine, my Fitbit, which I'm gonna take out now. We just got back from a walk and I need my Fitbit when I go on walks. Some chapstick, a pen, a hair tie, my COVID card, which has also seen better days. That is not looking good. Luggage tag, wallet, my wallet. I've got all my cards. I've got a $1 bill and some coins. I don't really carry that much on me. I try to be mindful of what it looks like when I'm like spreading my money around and my cards and stuff. So just a few cards in here. Then in this bag, I've got bags within bags. I've got some floss, lip balm, 2 batteries, which I think I'm gonna have to change out this battery soon. Some ibuprofen, no, this is Tylenol. Some vitamin D drops for my child, and deodorant. So that's what this is, just like a little toiletry kit, toiletry bag. I've also got my charger in here, some tissue. Again, we've been sick. I'm realizing that I've got too much stuff in here. Menthol vapor rub, chest rub for the baby, the toddler, some more chapstick. I have this like phobia of having dry lips. So I have lots of chapstick. More tissue. I also have a phobia of like boogers and snot apparently. For the rental car that we rented, luckily we didn't need it. Everything went well. More luggage, trash stuff. Earrings, depending on if I want a gold or silver moment. Toy for my child, that's just Rogue. Stuff is all over the place at this point. When you travel, especially when you're traveling back home, I feel like anything goes. You're just throwing the stuff in your bags. You're like, I will figure it out when it gets to the destination, as long as it's not too heavy or overweight. I don't have to pay any extra fees. Anything goes. So that's what this bag is starting to look like. I've got my computer cord, so fingers crossed. Please, please, please. I hope this works because this definitely had the most amount of water on it. Another toy, little dino for the baby. That's stuck together. Some gum and some wipes. I've been traveling recently, maybe within the last couple of years. Have you also noticed that the planes are just not clean? And so you get on the plane, they're either handing you those sanitary wipes or I guess disinfectant wipes, or you bring your own because you end up having to clean your seat like from top to bottom. And the seats are dirty, disgustingly dirty. That's my rant for this video, but I'm just saying, I feel like I'm doing a lot of labor nowadays when I go out to travel, when I go out to eat. Just interesting, just something I've noticed. This is another lip balm that needs to be thrown away because it is almost done. Charger for my computer, which also got water on it. The cap for this camera, this big honking lens, and then my MacBook Pro. Residual trash. I think that's it. I love this bag because it has these straps, which are the straps I mainly use because the bag is heavy, but you can also use the bag as a carry or a crossbody because it has this strap as well. So checking this back pocket too. So I love this back pocket right here. It acts as a trolley pass-through, but if you see, there is a zipper. I am trying to be better at packing. I can pack very sustainably and efficiently if I'm packing for myself. Girl, a small carry-on and even a crossbody little purse works well for me. But add this baby and all the things he comes with, I am overloaded, and that's how I felt this last trip. So thoughts and prayers for the next trip that we have coming up. It's gonna be a big one. We are making big changes in our lives, so definitely stay tuned for all of that content. I'll make sure to just document as I go. And yeah, thank you for watching what is in my travel bag, or what was in my travel bag for this last trip. And if you like these videos, I can do another one for the next trip. Maybe I will have learned some things about packing for myself and my toddler.